everybody to the workshop and to the R44 channel. Today we're installing a full MHC carbon kit on this beautiful M2 Competition. So we've been selling carbon kits for the M2 for over 5 years, if not more, and they've definitely have evolved in that time. So back in the day we used to sell carbon kits, and we used to sell a front splitter for this car for about £300, and the quality was good, fitment was all right, but it's not to the standard of what we're selling today. And that's just a testimony to what we're trying to do here at R44 Performance. We're trying to sell products that are the best products that we can get our hands on for you guys at home, and that's our customer. If you want good stuff, then we are the person for you. So yeah, what we're going to run you through is a full carbon kit from MHC. It's called the Performance Kit, so it's pretty much the same styling as the M Performance kit. So MHC have two kind of options. They've got the M Performance style kit and they've got a GT kit, which is more focused on like the GT styling for like track day goers and things like that. So at the front here, we've got a performance style front splitter. We've actually got one of our older products that we used to sell from MHC. So this was an MHC product back in 2022, and that was it's called infusion carbon. So it's called wet laid carbon. It's okay. It's good value for money for £300. It's a really nice splitter, but what we have behind it is the MHC Plus splitter, which is, Dylan, I don't know the price. Let's say £600. Have to double check it or get down in the description, but it's almost double the price, right? And what's the reason for that? And it's just the way it's manufactured. It's designed in CAD. It's got a beautiful aluminium mold that can go into an autoclave machine. It's then put under pressure and temperature to make a really nice 100% accurate fitment, pretty much part, and then it's painted in high gloss clear lacquer, which is 3K lacquer, so it can deal with the weathering that's here in the UK at the minute, really salty, dirty roads, as well as this is designed to last a minimum of 3 years. So everything from MHC Plus comes with a 3-year warranty, but we expect these to last more than 6-7 years. You then come onto the side skirts. We've got these performance style like kind of winglets, so they match the front. Again, a really nice bit of kit, prepreg carbon fiber. These used to sell for about £250. Now they're almost double the price, and it is a shame. I hate selling things that we could have sold for like £200 and now it's like £400, but it is the quality, it's what you're buying. If you're into your quality and you want something that lasts, as well as it has a good resale value. So if you want to sell the part long term, you could probably take it off, polish it, and put it back on the market second hand. We've got the rear diffuser, again, a nice bit of pre-preg carbon fiber. You won't need to remove the bumper or anything. The original one just clips off, this one clips in, happy days. And then we have a rear spoiler, and this spoiler's design is like a CS, so kind of like the M2 CS. Nice bit of kit, again, pre-preg carbon fiber. We've been selling these for a long time, but these are like guaranteed to fit every single time. So that's a lot of waffle. We have a beautiful M2 behind me. It's a little bit dirty, but we'll clean up the bottom and we'll start installing it. We'll give you a bit of an overview, and then we'll get outside and compare it to a GT car. So Dylan behind us has an M2 Comp. His one's kind of more designed around the GT kind of track going, as well as it's using everything we sell at R44, not just the MHC parts. It's got AC Snitzer stuff on the back, a Krapovich diffusers, and it's got the catalog on it pretty much. But yeah, enough of me. Our technician Aldridge is going to jump on it. We'll probably start on the rear spoiler now, so that's going to take the most. We're going to take all the adhesive off. We'll stick this on and we'll get going. All right, so we're going to install the splitter. It's going to be super easy, but there are a few important steps that we need to follow. So we need to clean the underside. There's a lot of tape. You can see there's actual pockets inside this splitter, and that's designed for silicone. So if you want to adhere your part with silicone, you can do. That's how BMW recommend it, but we don't recommend silicone because we know that you'll smash this off your car. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, it'd be a pain to clean up all that silicone. So you've got to clean the underside with the alcohol wipes provided. Peel off the tape so it's kind of hanging off like so, and then what we're going to do is we're going to remove all the 8mm screws out on the underside of the bumper, and that's going to provide us like a position to put the splitter in. There are then some small screws that are for your self-tapping, and they're the little silver screws that have come in the box. But yeah, let's get straight to it. So we're just going to put it into position, like so. Audrey's now going to put the 8mm sockets in there like that, leaving them relatively loose. And then we're going to go around and leave them all in position. Then we can move around the splitter, make sure we're happy. Get them in. The main areas that we're looking for is here and here, because we want that to be really tight on to the bumper, because obviously that's the area you're looking at. We might put some adhesive tape in there. Sometimes it depends on how we're installing it. Maybe for you guys at home, we'll put a little bit there so we can stick it in position. It looks nice. We know where we're going to push it to get it to fit perfectly.
Nice.
All right, so we've had to raise the car up on a jack and axle stands just because the way our ramp is. But we're now installing the side winglets. They're pretty simple. 3 screws down the side. That positions them in the right positions. And then again, self-tapping screws through the main part in the middle here. And that'll make sure the fitment's good. You can't rely on the small plastic screws that come from the factory that go in there, because it will just wobble. So yeah, that's it. Let's get it done. Alright, so we've got the M2 Comp off the ramp and outside. Sorry about the noise, if you can hear it, there's some madness going on over there. But the car's done, it's got the full MHC Performance style kit, finished in pre-preg carbon fibre. As I said, 3-year warranty, it looks this good, the fitment's perfect. Take it in, enjoy it, and we've now got Dylan's very dirty M2 Comp beside me, and this has got the GT style kit. So it's an MHC GT style front splitter. It's got like the likes of anniversary badges, yellow DRLs. It's got the TM20s from Titan 7s. Coming down the side, it's actually got AC snitzer side skirts, M Performance OEM little stick-on covers, MHC mirror covers in carbon, and loads of stuff. So that was a lot of I just said there, but Dylan's got the MHC GT stuff, but he's also mixed it with the likes of AC Snitzer, OEM BMW, so that's what we're here for at R44. You can buy a little bit of everything from us to make your car either look like that, very OEM plus, or like this, very OTT, spend more on mods. That's our guy Dylan. But yeah, that's it, I'm over and out. I'm gonna go play with the M5, so if this video comes out now, I don't know, you might have seen the M5 already or you might not, but let me go do some work.